In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add PST file in Outlook. If you've ever needed to bring old emails, contacts, or archived folders back into Outlook, a PST file is the key. A PST, or personal storage table, is simply a file that stores Outlook data on your computer. In this walkthrough, I'll show you how to add a PST so it appears right inside your Outlook mailbox, and then how to remove it from Outlook later without deleting the file from your computer. Let's start by adding the PST. First, open Outlook. Once Outlook is up, go to the top left and click File. On the left side of that screen, choose Open and Export. From there, select Open Outlook Data File. A file browser will pop up. Use it to navigate to the folder where your .pst file is saved. If you're not seeing it right away, remember that the file extension you're looking for is .pst. Click the file to select it, then choose OK. Outlook will immediately attach that PST and you'll see it appear in your mailbox folder list, typically in the left-hand pane. It will show up as a new top-level folder, often named after the file or the mailbox it came from. Click the arrow next to it to expand and browse the subfolders, inbox, sent items, and any custom folders that were saved inside that PST. At this point, you can open emails, drag items into or out of those folders, and search within them. If you've just added a large archive, give Outlook a little time to index the contents so searches become faster. Now, if you no longer need that PST displayed in Outlook, you can remove it from the view without touching the actual file on your computer. In the folder list, find the PST's top-level folder. Right-click that folder to open the context menu, then select Close followed by the PST's name. As soon as you do that, Outlook removes the PST from the mailbox pane. The important thing to remember is that the PST file itself remains on your computer. It hasn't been deleted. That means you can add it back later using the same steps we covered a moment ago. This is especially helpful for keeping your Outlook tidy while preserving archives for future reference or backup. And that's it. You've learned how to add a PST file in Outlook and how to remove it from Outlook when you're done, all while keeping your data safely stored on your device.